How to fix dried out mascara.
This tip fixes a dried out, flaky mascara. Get some saline solution, which you can find at any drugstore. So take your dried out tube of mascara, and now with your saline solution, you're gonna pop just 2 drops into the tube. Take your wand, pop it into the tube, and give it a little wiggle. Now you're gonna try the consistency on the back of your hand. That is perfection. I've just showed you how you can revive your favourite mascara, make your favourite mascaras last longer, and ultimately save you money. Some really helpful advice: if your mascara is really old, I would advise getting a brand new mascara just for the health of your eyes. If you don't already know me, my name's Katie and I'm a professional makeup artist. Follow me for all of my professional beauty tips.